Have you ever dreamt of being rich only to wake up wondering if it's even possible in today's unpredictable financial climate? Hey, welcome to Moneycraft Masters. While many chase the wind of financial success, a select few have unlocked assets that keep them wealthy without even lifting a finger. Curious? Let's uncover the 8 assets that pave the path to financial freedom and a life of luxury. If you're excited about this journey, give us a thumbs up, share the love, and don't miss out. Hit subscribe and ring that bell for the insider's edge to wealth building. In our pursuit of wealth, it's vital to understand the changing landscape of global finance. Historically, every great civilization and its economy have seen peaks and troughs. The Roaring '20s gave way to the Great Depression, and the tech bubble of the late '90s burst in the early 2000s, and more recently, the 2008 financial crisis left a mark that still resonates with many today. These fluctuations aren't just historical footnotes. They're crucial lessons highlighting the impermanence of certain financial avenues. Yet, as certain doors close, others open. Enter the age of passive income and financial freedom is a concept that's been gathering steam in the 21st century. With the rise of the digital era, globalization, and the shared economy, there have emerged a plethora of opportunities for generating income passively. This doesn't just mean setting aside a nest egg and hoping for the best. It's about strategic investments and understanding the market dynamics, and more importantly, recognizing assets that offer sustained returns even when the rest of the world is in turmoil. Before we dive into these magical assets, it's essential to note the difference between active and passive income. While active income demands your time, think of a 9-to-5 job. Passive income works for you even while you sleep. The dream? To have a portfolio so robust and diversified that your money keeps growing, irrespective of global economic shifts. And that, dear viewers, is the financial freedom we all aspire to attain. Asset 1. Dividend stocks. The world of stocks is vast and varied, but if there's one category that's been a darling to those in the know, it's dividend stocks. But what exactly are these? In the simplest terms, when you buy stock, you're buying a piece of that company. Now, some companies, after making a profit, they decide to reward their shareholders by giving back a piece of that profit. This reward is what we call a dividend. The beauty of dividend stocks isn't just in the immediate payout, it's the potential for consistent, recurring income. Imagine owning shares in a company that regularly puts money into your pocket year after year just for holding on to their stock. On top of that, many of these companies also increase their dividends over time, meaning your yearly bonus might just get bigger and bigger. Now let's bust a myth. Some might say, why focus on dividends when you can aim for stocks that grow in value? Here's the clincher. Why not both? Many dividend-paying stocks also see capital appreciation. So not only do you get regular payouts, but the value of your investment can also grow. It's like planting a tree that bears fruit year after year, all the while growing taller and more robust. However, a word of caution, like all investments, it's essential to do your homework. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. The key is to look for companies with a history of stable payouts, strong financial health, and a promising future. This dual strategy of capital growth and dividend income can be a powerful way to march towards financial freedom. Asset 2. Real estate rentals. From ancient civilizations to modern metropolises, if there's one asset that has stood the test of time, it's land, and more specifically, real estate. But we're not just talking about buying a home to live in. We're diving deep into the realm of real estate rentals. Why? Because it's one of the most time-tested ways of generating passive income. Imagine owning a property that someone else pays for. Your tenants pay their rent, and over time, that rental income covers your property expenses and mortgage, leaving a tidy profit for you each month. It's the magic of leveraging someone else's money to build your wealth. The appeal of real estate rentals goes beyond just monthly income. As a property owner, you can benefit from capital appreciation as your property increases in value. Over the years, this dual benefit of rental income and property appreciation can lead to exponential growth in your net worth. However, the world of real estate is not without its nuances. Location, property management, tenant selection, and understanding local rental markets play a pivotal role in ensuring your rental investment is fruitful. But here's the golden nugget. Real estate rentals, when done right, can offer an inflation-resistant income stream. As the cost of living rises, so can your rental prices, ensuring your income remains robust and grows with the times. In a constantly evolving financial landscape, real estate rentals can be the bedrock of a diversified and resilient portfolio. Asset 3 Index Funds. Stepping away from the tangibility of real estate, we venture into the financial markets with an investment vehicle often hailed for its simplicity and effectiveness. Index funds, think of them as the set-it-and-forget-it tool in the world of investments. At its core, an index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that mimics a specific market index. Instead of trying to beat the market, a feat even seasoned investors find it challenging. Index funds aim to match it. By spreading investments across a broad range of stocks, these funds inherently diversify your investment, reducing the risk associated with any single company's downturn. The true beauty of index funds lies in their passive nature. Unlike active trading, where constant monitoring, buying, and selling are the norms, with index funds, the approach is more hands-off. Historically, over long periods, the market has shown an upward trend. By tapping into index funds, investors can ride this wave without the daily stress of stock picking. Now, while the returns might not make headlines like some high-risk, high-reward ventures, the power of compound interest works wonders here. A consistent average return year after year can lead to substantial growth in the long run. But as with all investments, it's essential to remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. While index funds offer diversification and usually come with lower fees than actively managed funds, it's vital to understand your risk tolerance and financial goals before diving in. Still, for those looking to get a slice of the market without the roller coaster ride of individual stocks, index funds can be a cornerstone in the quest for financial freedom. Hey there! If you're journeying towards financial freedom just like us, give this video a golden thumbs up. And if you want to be part of our Money Smart crew, ring that bell and subscribe. Know someone else charting their path to wealth. Share the gold and pass this video on. Asset 4. P2 Lending. From the stock market's bustling halls, let's pivot to a revolutionary space where technology meets traditional lending, peer-to-peer or P2 lending. This modern asset has rapidly gained traction, allowing everyday individuals to play the role banks have dominated for centuries. P2P lending is a straightforward concept. It's a platform where individuals can lend their money to other individuals or small businesses in exchange for potential interest payments. Think of it as a digital marketplace for loans, cutting out the middleman, the banks, and theoretically passing on the savings in the form of higher returns for lenders and lower interest rates for borrowers. One of the standout attractions of P2Op lending is the possibility of diversification. Instead of lending a significant sum to one entity, investors can spread their money across multiple loans, each representing a small fraction of their total investment. This diversification can help mitigate the risk associated with any single borrower defaulting. However, as enticing as the returns can be, it's essential to tread with caution. P2Op lending, being relatively new, doesn't have the historical backing some of our previous assets boast. Moreover, these loans are unsecured, meaning if a borrower defaults, there's no collateral for the lender to claim. For those willing to navigate this nascent territory, the rewards can be compelling. With the proper due diligence, understanding the platform's nuances, and perhaps a sprinkle of risk appetite, P2Op lending can be a modern addition to a well-rounded portfolio aiming for financial independence. Asset 5. E-commerce. Swerving onto the digital highway, we delve into an asset that has revolutionized the way we shop, conduct business, and even perceive commerce. E-commerce. In an era where convenience is king and the world is at our fingertips, e-commerce platforms have transformed mere storefronts into global empires. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, pertains to buying and selling goods and services online. But its impact goes beyond just shopping. It's an ecosystem incorporating digital payments, supply chain management, online marketing, and customer service. For those looking to venture into the e-commerce space as an investment, the opportunities are vast. From launching your own online store to partnering with drop shippers to investing in established platforms, the digital marketplace offers various avenues to generate income. One of the standout benefits of e-commerce is scalability. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar establishments that are restricted by physical space and location, online platforms can cater to a global audience 24/7. This limitless reach can lead to exponential growth, as we've seen with giants like Amazon, Alibaba, and Shopify. However, the digital realm is not without its challenges. Competition is fierce, and consumers' behaviors are ever evolving, and staying updated with technology is imperative. It requires a mix of market insight, digital savvy, and relentless innovation. Yet for those willing to embrace the e-commerce wave, the rewards can be transformative. In a world where digital is the new norm, e-commerce stands as a dynamic asset, poised to reshape commerce's future and potentially provide a golden ticket to financial freedom for its pioneers. As we journeyed through the diverse landscape of assets today, one thing became clear: the paths to financial freedom are varied and abundant. From the enduring reliability of dividend stocks and the tangible allure of real estate rentals to the expansive horizons of e-commerce, each asset offers its own unique blend of opportunities and challenges. Dividend stocks invite us into the corporate realm, offering a share in the success of established businesses. Real estate rentals stand as a timeless testament to the value of property, while index funds paint a picture of broad market exposure and diversification. P2 lending ushers in a novel way of democratizing finance. The digital dominions of e-commerce, mobile apps, and digital products encapsulate the future's promising potential. While the allure of each asset can be captivating, it's vital to remember that no single asset is a silver bullet. Diversification remains key. Building a portfolio that resonates your financial goals, risk tolerance, and personal interest can be the blueprint for lasting wealth and financial serenity. In essence, the journey to financial freedom is not about chasing the next big thing, but rather about understanding, learning, and strategically investing in a tapestry of assets that collectively work towards realizing your vision of prosperity. As we wrap up our exploration of these powerful assets, it's essential to step back and reflect on our personal financial journey. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth, but about crafting a life where we're in command of our time and choices. Each asset we've delved into today offers a unique path towards this coveted goal. Yet remember, financial landscapes are constantly evolving. The most successful investors are not just those who jump on trends, but also those who invest in learning, adaptability, and a keen understanding of their financial aspirations. While today's guide serves as a compass pointing towards various avenues of opportunity, the true navigation comes from introspection, research, and sometimes even taking calculated risks. As you ponder these assets, consider which resonate most with your vision, which aligns with the life you aim to curate. We hope this exploration has ignited a spark of curiosity and empowerment. Your comments, insights, and experiences enrich our community, so do share them below. And if this content has added value to your financial journey, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Here's to a future of informed choices, boundless opportunities, and the realization of your dreams of financial independence. Until next time, stay informed and stay prosper.